how to book a hotel using Accor points. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Accor points and having it as a payment method in booking hotels with their official website. Now, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to go into their official website, which is going to be all.accor.com, which is this one. So at the top, you should be able to see a lot of features here, but what you want to have to choose is the loyalty program. And then choose on earn and redeem points. Now, you're just going to make sure that you have sufficient amount of points that will be convertible as a payment method to book a hotel. Scroll down here, and then all you have to do instead of choosing earn is choose on redeem. This is going to be the options that you can go, which is for hotel stays, luxury package, private home and villa stays, and so on and so forth. You just need to choose on your preferred one and make sure that you have enough amount of points so that you can have it as a payment of booking a hotel. And that's it. That's how you book hotels on Accor using Accor points.